Hi guys, I hope all of you may be fine. Welcome back to Youth Entrepreneur. In our last session, my sister Supriya cleared two of my most important doubts regarding entrepreneurship. My first doubt was what is entrepreneurship? My second doubt was who is an entrepreneur? If you are also in doubt, you can watch our last video about the entrepreneurship in real life. We had also discussed why schools and colleges are not the right place for entrepreneurs. So today, I am going to meet my elder brother Sunil. He is extremely successful in his business. So today, I will try to improve my understanding on the mindset of an entrepreneur. I am now going to meet my elder brother after 4 long years in a cafe. So let's understand the mindset of an entrepreneur. Bhai, I have started my own business venture. I am trying to help lots of people. No one is helping me in growing my business. But I have seen that everyone is trying to help you. You don't take help from them. Why it is with me only? What is the problem with them? Actually, they don't trust you at the moment. Also, they are in jobs, so their mindset is entirely different. They will help you only if you give them better package than what they received in their last job. I am working with entrepreneurs. They have the same mindset as that of mine. They don't work for money at all. They mainly work for solving a burning problem of society. So, they will always behave like that. They are behaving in accordance with their mindset. You should not expect anything from them. Instead, try to spend more time with people having entrepreneurial mindset. But they are my friends in my last job. After I went to Mohali with you for 2 months for my disease. They don't like the change in my personality now. Why is it so? This is because they will expect always to change you according to their expectations. If you don't, they will try to point out a number of imperfections in you. Why is it so? I have never asked anything from them. But instead I have always helped them. So I think I am nice to everyone. Then why it is so that they behave in such a way? I have already told you that they are habitual of asking for help. The person that suits their needs is liked by them. You are different. Your mind is developed now, you have started to think like an entrepreneur. But how can I completely transform into an entrepreneur? Should I wear branded clothes and expensive things to be like entrepreneurs? Actually, what you are saying is external change. Internal change is very important. A person is an entrepreneur if he has gone through 95% internal change. That is working on his mindset. People are who they are because of how they think. So you mean to say that external change is not important? No, I am not saying that. Actually, if you are changed internally, then it would be reflected externally. Okay, I get the point very well. Entrepreneurs are not in any ways different from employees. Not they have any better or different opportunities. Believe me, I am saying the truth. It's all about mindset. Can you explain me with examples of situations where entrepreneurs think in a different manner than the rest of the people? Firstly, it is the way they approach to learning things. Entrepreneurs work to learn while employees work to earn more money. You can see that I left my job in Merchant Navy where I was earning around 5 lakhs a month. Because I wanted to start my own business venture. I was broke for a year and only invested in my learnings. This hard work paid off to me. Now I have many like-minded peoples around me. When you are among these like-minded peoples, you are continuously learning in the process and developing your mindset. But when I left my job and now I am working on my own business venture, they think me as a lazy person who is afraid of work. Yes, exactly my point. As they compare your work with your earnings. As they always look for higher paycheck for the work they are doing. Entrepreneurs aren't lazy or afraid of work. Instead, they would love to work where they could learn. But they had to earn money and pay their bills. So, they are not doing anything wrong in doing so. Right. Yes, you are correct that they need to pay their bills and take care of themselves. So they need money. But if your job is not making you a better human being, then you are doing something wrong. You may have heard the Jack Ma advice to work for a small company. As in small companies you learn a lot. While in big companies you are like one of the machines. Okay, I get it. But few of the employees are more skilled than these entrepreneurs. Why they are earning so less then? Because the employees are trying to sell their skills. Each person has a particular skill. Selling these skills will not make you rich at all. On the other hand, the entrepreneurs think about putting the peoples of different skills together to provide value to the market. Actually, it's 6 o'clock. I am getting late. I have an important appointment with my client. Hope to meet you soon. Thanks, bhai. Today I understood some of the most important differences which create huge differences among employees and entrepreneurs. You're welcome always. So I hope you may have understood some of the differences in the mindset of the employees and the mindset of an entrepreneur. We will learn more about it when I will meet my brother in the next meeting. Till then, keep learning and keep innovating. Thank you so much for being with us. See ya.